Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the survival rate of cancer cells is actually super easy if you know how to read the graph. Let's solve this problem right now. First, look closely at Figure 1 and find the curve representing the HAP cell line. We need to focus specifically on this dataset to find our target survival rate today. Next, locate the 10% mark on the vertical axis, which shows the average percent survival. Move horizontally from that point until you hit the specific HAP curve on the graph. Finally, drop to the horizontal axis to find the concentration. This value is exactly 0.50 micromolar, making option D the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for option D.